Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the build on BNB token, aka Bob. Ticker symbol for this token is Bob. This is a very popular token on the Binance Smart Chain. Just got a huge central exchange listing yesterday. They're trending number 13 in the BSC section. I'm also going to be uploading a video today on Captain BNB, who also just got a huge central exchange listing and is trending number 1 in the Binance Smart Chain section. We're going to go over that token as well today too. But this one, we're going to specifically go over build on BNB, talk about this token and where you can get it. We're going to do that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So according to Deck Screener, this token is a CTO, a community takeover, where the community has claimed ownership of this project, and the dev is now out of the picture. And it's doing very well here, and we're going to talk about how you can get it. But first of all, I saw a tweet here. It says, build on BNB initially launched yesterday on Mexc and saw an impressive 540% increase since the listing and a market cap surpassing $10 million. The Mexc Global Pump Alert. So this token is doing very well and just got listed yesterday on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and you would search Bobbsc, all one word. Now, Bob is the ticker symbol for this token, but there's been other tokens in the past that have come out with the ticker symbol Bob, so you don't get confused. On Mexc, they have this as Bobbsc, so just be aware of that. So yeah, you'd search Bobbsc, and then you'd simply just buy the token. Now, they have their Twitter. I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right here. At Build on BNB Bob, it says #1 BNB chain builder. And then it says CTO, community takeover, has the contract address right there. Has their webpage right there, buildonbnb.com. They just joined Twitter November 2024. 9,303 followers, a blue verified checkmark, 495 tweets. And by the way, I just made my own Twitter that you could find in the comment section down there. In the comment section pinned to the top, and in the description box down there, you can find my new Twitter that I made, so check that out. Join the Twitter, join the conversation. Now, if you go to their webpage, they have the Deck Screener chart link. They have the Dex Tools chart link. Those are great places to see the price and see how the token's doing. You can also find the token on BSC Scan. Twitter and Telegram are linked on the webpage as well. And it says, this is Bob. Bob wants to build on BNB. Build with Bob. Be great and make BSC great again. We created this meme. This meme was created by Binance. In an interaction with a Binance intern, they asked the community to name their mascot and confirmed the name as Bob. His instructions were to make BSC great again. And so if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, on the web page there is the contract address, and you could easily find it also on the Twitter right there, or on the charts, or on the BSC scan. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, you can get it also off of Pancakeswap. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Binance Smart Chain tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, or a Coinbase wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with BNB, and then you would go into the dApps, you would find Pancakeswap, and then you would trade your BSC for the Bob token using the contract address you could find right there on the Twitter. Now you can fund your wallet with BNB from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. According to their quick audit by GoPlus Security, there is 0 taxes on this token, so you don't have to worry about slippage when buying this token off of Pancakeswap. And you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, so just be aware of that. Now it says, community takeover build on BNB. A community claimed ownership for this token November 15th, 2024. The dev has not responded to messages on the X account. And Deb sold too early and left, and we are taking over Bob. So do not listen to the original Deb anymore because he is not part of the picture. Now, this token is up 57.4% today, doing very well today. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $4.2 million. They've had 9,576 transactions just today. Market cap and fully diluted valuation are $9.7 million. $639,000 worth of liquidity and in Pancakeswap. And if we go over to their BSC scan, 25,888 holders it says so far. 18 decimal places on this token. There's a max total supply, 420,690 billion Bob tokens. If you want to join their CTO Telegram, it is at Bob the Builder BNB, and it says Bob CTO Portal, build on Bob, 1,165 subscribers on there, the #1 BNB chain builder, build on BNB, making BNB greater. And you can preview the Telegram channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with the Twitter that's in the corner of the screen there. Make sure you check out the huge Captain BNB token video that I'm going to be doing today. That token is trending #1 on Deck Screener in the BNB section. It's a brand new BNB token that just got a huge listing on Mexc Global as well. So check out that video. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.